A new day breaks over the boundless ocean, painting the sky with a masterpiece of color. Beneath the shimmering surface, in a tranquil kelp forest bathed in the dawn's golden light, an ancient mariner stirs. This is a sea turtle, a creature that has witnessed the ocean's timeless rhythms for generations. With effortless grace, the turtle navigates its underwater realm. Its flippers, powerful paddles, propel it through the clear, warm water. This is a world of vibrant coral castles bustling with life. The turtle's senses, honed over a lifetime at sea, guide it through this intricate labyrinth of beauty and wonder.